Welcome back, Strong Fencing and Gates. And wow, what a beautiful gate we've got. This is a 100 by 16 slat gate, and you can see we've actually got a couple of things going on here. We've got this Aztec color steel profile, and that's the, I guess you can call that the outside, and this is probably the nicest side, and we've opted for the nice side on the inside because this is actually a courtyard that somebody's going to be using. But you can see we're stepping up the boundary here, so these have been cut all on the bottom, all on the same pitch, you can see. And then this is actually timber is slotted in, timber trellis, oriental trellis. It's like a 40 by 10 trellis, and those have been cut to size and they fit perfectly inside the top rail. And we've had to fix them on the sides with silicone the sides in so they don't flop around. You can see we opted for a bigger bay here. We could have done 2 bays, but to start with, it would have been another hole drilled in the concrete, but I think it looks cool. So that's actually wider than 2.4. It's about 2.5 or 2.6. So we opted for that, and then we kept the transition height the same. You can see we could have stepped up at this corner, but we kept it the same height, and then it steps on the corner, so it's really cool to actually step things on the corner. You can see that's what that looks like. I'll take you around the other side. This is a Viper safety latch. That's my favorite latch because it's heavy duty. It's a push-pull design. You can see up around here, that's the outside, gone tied up against this concrete nib wall, and we actually tied it in here. We actually had to weld this. We welded this piece of steel back on so that and just reuse the existing posts so it matches those ones. But yeah, that's what she looks like. Pretty tidy looking fence. And yeah, I like how there's 3 different aspects to it. So I guess you'd say you've got the horizontal, a vertical and the horizontal, and it's all done in grey friars, so customer has to be super happy with that. Awesome. So that is Aztec color steel grey friars with trellis top, along with a slat gate, welded gate with the Viper latch system. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Hey, hit subscribe if you can, helps with our rankings, and hit the like button. Have a great day. Bye.